Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you how to use AI with Dream Screen to make awesome YouTube shorts like this one. So let's get started. First, you're going to want to open up your YouTube app and hit the plus sign like you're creating a YouTube short. Next, you're going to hit add in the lower left-hand corner and then create is going to be at the top. You're going to hit that. Next, you're going to describe what you would like to create. You can write anything here from cat to cat sitting by a tree or whatever you want. I just wrote cat sitting by a tree. Now at the bottom, there are different styles that you can choose from to create your YouTube short. I decided to go with none for this experiment. Once you're satisfied with your style and your words, you just hit create. And it does take a bit of time to generate, but then 4 different pictures come up and you choose the one that you want. Once you do that, you're going to hit create video. And it does take a little bit of time to create the video. And then it gives you a little preview of what the video is going to look like. You can either continue or try again if you don't like how it's looking. But I liked mine, so I continued on. And then I went to add again and create, and I'm going to do the second scene. So I decided that I wanted it to be very similar, so I put a black cat sitting by a tree, and I added a few more details. So the more details that you add in, the more the AI will know how to make your picture look how you want it, or at least try to make it look how you want it. So I put black cat sitting by a tree in the summer. As a butterfly goes by, the cat chases it, and the tree is swaying because it is windy. And I decided to go with none again, and then I press create. Now we're just waiting for it to generate. This is so cool because you can make all kinds of cool YouTube shorts with this AI program, and it's built right into YouTube Shorts. So it's creating the video for that one now. After I chose which picture that I liked the most, the one that I thought went well with my first picture. Because you don't want to have things too different from each other. So now my cat is under the tree and the butterflies are flying around. And I was happy with this, so I continued. Okay, so you're going to do that one more time. So this time I wanted some kind of ending for my video. So I decided to do a close-up of the cat with the butterfly landing on the cat's nose. So I wrote a close-up of the black cat as the butterfly lands on the cat's nose. Then I hit create. We're just waiting for it to generate here. Now, I got 4 pictures. And first, I decided on the first one, the top one. Because it kind of looked like it was going on the nose. And here's how it turned out, but I didn't really like it because it didn't look like the butterfly was on the nose that good. Now that I look at it, I kind of like it now, but at the time I didn't really like it. It was more on the side. So I decided I didn't want that one. So instead of pressing continue, I decided to try again. So I hit try again and it went back to my 4 images and I chose a different one. But I wasn't feeling that one either. So I decided to try again with one of the other ones. So that's a nice thing about this program. If you don't like what it generates, you can change your mind and change up the picture to what something more that you do want. That one looked like it's on the eyeball, so I didn't really like that one either. So I went back and I took the last one, which wasn't really on the nose, but I thought, oh, what the heck? Maybe it'll work. And good thing I liked it. It wasn't quite on the nose, but it was more like what I wanted. So I added that one. And then I decided I was going to add a sound because it's on YouTube Shorts. You can have some sounds playing. And I thought the friendship one went the best with it. And so then it shows you the whole video to your liking. You can change up things. You can add in words. You can add stickers or whatever you like from the YouTube Shorts section. And then you just upload it to your channel. You should make sure you keep the hashtag DreamScreenAI, and also make sure when you're doing your description box that you put that it is an AI. So that's how you use Dream Screen on YouTube Shorts to make some cool videos that are realistic looking, but they're actually made with AI. So use your imagination and let's see what you come up with Dream Screen on YouTube Shorts.